Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. It's October 11th at 7:07 a.m. So just wanted to welcome you guys to the channel, another live stream, guys. So give me 1 second here. We're just going to... There we go. Guys, welcome. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I'm just going to be updating the video description, but for those of you that are new, guys, we are live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, just wanted to let you know that I appreciate you all very much, and I appreciate you guys joining in, and look forward to helping you guys in your trading journey. We're going to take a look at the charts, see what opportunities we have, guys, to get in the markets. So stick to the very end, guys, and make sure that you guys get ready, because we're going to take a look at the charts and we're going to learn a lot today. So welcome. Okay, give me 1 second here, guys. Welcome, guys. We're going to begin shortly. Just going to update this description on the video. We should be good to go, and we're going to start shortly, guys, okay? Hope you guys are having an amazing morning. It's nice early Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. Let's go. Another day, another opportunity, guys. Let's get it. We had XAUUSD go in our favor. Seems like we might be able to get our second entry on XAUUSD. Yeah, right now it's bear with me, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna start shortly. Welcome everyone that's just joining in. Just gonna update the description here as well. Got a couple people just joining and commenting here. Let me take a look here. We've got Matt. Hey, please, Euro NZD. Okay, we'll take a look at Euro NZD. Don't worry, just give me 1 second, right? Hey, we've got VV here. We've got my sister-in-law, Kunis. Let's go. Another day. We got this. We've got Rapel. Hey, bro. Good day. 12 p.m. here in Nigeria. Hey, that's crazy, bro. Okay, we've got Naveen here. Hi, bro. La Promedia. Hey, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. Really do. We're gonna start shortly, okay? I'm just finishing up here. Bam. Okay. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Super excited to have you guys here. Samuel, welcome. Nantawi. Okay, so we're gonna begin, guys, and kind of here's my outlook overall on AUUSD. But we're gonna go here. We do have a request for Euro New Zealand, I believe it was. Let's take a look here. Euro New Zealand, yeah. Euro JPY, we were expecting a continuation to the downside. Unfortunately, price broke above our resistance area, so it just seems like we're looking for a breakout, which that's fine. We didn't get into this trade again. We were looking at sells. We got out exactly at break even, and then it just seems like price is shying away and it's ranging right now. So now what we can expect is some sort of a breakout potentially. And I'm just overall expecting Euro JPY to break out to the upside, okay? That's kind of my outlook there, but we're going to take a look at Euro New Zealand. Overall, similar concept with Euro New Zealand as well. Just give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Euro New Zealand, kind of see what we can expect, and kind of where we're at, guys. So listen closely, make sure you guys are paying attention to, this explanation, kind of my overall analysis, and that way we're going to continue on here, guys. We'll see what's going on. So, okay, welcome to all our new members that are just joining in, guys. Appreciate you all very, very much, and we're gonna take a look right now. Euro New Zealand. Oh my gosh, can't even talk. I guess it's 7 a.m. here, so it's got me sleepy. Overall, we were looking at this level of structure. This was a major level of structure. We saw a double top formation, and then price kind of melted. However, we're kind of at this major level here, so if price were to break or continue to break below, then we can look for a continuation to the downside. We have been trending overall to the upside. We have it in an upwards trend. You can see it very, very clear, but we're going to clear the charts, and I want you guys to see how I would look at the markets, essentially. Let's look at daily. And so overall in the daily, you guys can see that we've kind of hit the ceiling area. So this is a major level of structure that we've kind of touched at. This is an area where price has rejected in the past. You can see, resistance here, a little bit of support, right? A little bit of support here as well, and so on. So we could agree, all of us could agree at some point that, hey, you know what? This is kind of an area where price has respected in the past and is respecting right now. So we mark our levels, okay? And then we kind of point these levels out and see, okay, well, price has respected this level of structure here as well. And so this to me is kind of the area where we're at. We kind of see price starting to form some sort of a, barrier here, failing to break above, okay? And so at this point, yes, like if you look at, and we go back, give me 1 second here, let's go back to daily. Because remember, this is a range area here, so I would probably mark it, to be honest, where it is right now, right around there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it seems like price tried to break above. Unfortunately, it failed to continue to push high. And not only that, guys, so we were creating what? If you look here on the right-hand side, right, what were we doing here? We were going on an upwards trend, creating what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Am I right? Take a look at this. So we reached a point where we created a higher high, and then what happened? We had a higher low. Unfortunately, we had a lower low there, actually, but a higher low, and then what happened here? Price failed to create what? A new higher high. So what happens now? Price is stalling. At this point, we now see that we're like, okay, well, price is failing to create a new higher high. So to me, that's an indication that the overall trajectory to the upside is starting to die off, right? The bulls are starting to lose control. The bears are starting to take control of the market. So now we are seeing a resistance of this level of structure, right? This area here on its own is also a major level of structure, right? So this to me could be, you know, and again, remember, it's a zone area. It's not exactly this line here. So this is on the higher time frame. So even if we narrow it down, we can expect that, well, if price does go below this level of structure here, then we can expect a clean continuation to the downside, right? Does it mean it's going to go 100% all the way down? No, but we can start targeting the lows over here, which would be my next kind of target level here for price to potentially go down to, right? So if we get a nice clean break on Euro New Zealand, for example, okay, and we get Euro New Zealand super bearish sentiment continuation to the downside, we break below this level of structure, which you can see it's a major level here too as well. Boom, we break it, wait for the retest, because that will be our confirmation. We wait for price to actually reject this level of structure. We see, you know, huge candle wick rejections, all that type of stuff. Then we get in and we look for a continuation of sells. Now, does that mean, especially look at right now, we have broken below this kind of double top. We've actually broken the neckline. So my overall expectation at this point is we may see price kind of stall here for a little bit. Okay. Got a little bit of support there, a little bit of resistance, support. Okay. Expect price to come to this level here, which I've highlighted. Okay. And I can expect price to actually come back up and retest this high over here, this neckline, before it actually goes down further. So let me just do this so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, one sec. Okay, you guys with me? Yeah, you guys with me? Let's get it. Okay, so if you guys are understanding this, please smash that like button and let me know. Also, let me know in the chat box if you're understanding my overall analysis here. So we broke this neckline. You can see it here, right? So this is an area where price may come back to, okay? And so basically, we had that strong momentum push, okay? And then I'm expecting price to exhaust and come back and retest the neckline. This is a double top on the 1 hour, okay, on Euro New Zealand, okay? So now, this is what I could expect. Price to form some sort of support at this level lows here, okay? Come back up, retest this level structure. If it rejects this level structure, we look for a continuation to the downside. Then we target the lows as TP1, TP2 down here, comes back up, retest, and continuation to the downside. This is kind of what we could expect for price to do. And again, it will maintain within this ranging area that we are in right now because price has stalled and taken a break, right? So that will give us that more confirmation of, okay, this is what price is potentially going to do. This is the reason why. Why? Well, because on the higher time frames, we've kind of lost that momentum. The bulls are losing control of the markets. The bears are starting to get back in. So now we're shifting from an upwards trend, creating higher highs and higher lows, to now a ranging market. Okay, so when we're in a ranging market, we can now start leveling off our areas and be like, well, you know, price has rejected these highs over here now a few times, almost 3 times now, right? And then over here, this is another area of significance as well where price has reacted. So now what is this looking like? You know, is this looking like an upwards trend? No. Is this looking like a downwards trend? No. Perfect. Okay, where are we in this range then? If we're ranging, where are we? Well, we're at the top of the range. Okay, nice. So now what is this line here? Well, this is an area where price has reacted multiple times in the past and respected. You know, we got resistance, support, resistance, right? You know, kind of price pierced through here, but, you know, a little bit of support, right? So this is kind of an area where I can measure, which is pretty much happens to be the middle area of the range, where price is kind of just like, nope, you know, I'm kind of struggling to go higher, you know what I mean? So this is an area we want to keep in mind, but again, like I said, if we break below this level area here, because it's not exactly this line, remember, it's kind of a zone, right? then we can expect a continuation to the bottom of the range. And then if we break below this level, then we're really looking for a continuation to the downside for Euro New Zealand, and then more bearish sentiment for the Euro. Okay, so that's kind of my outlook, guys. If you guys understood that Euro New Zealand explanation, guys, do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. All right, I'm just going to read through the comments here quickly, and then we'll continue on, guys. So I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. We got lots of members just joining in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so we've got gold, buy or sell. We'll take a look at gold in a second, okay? Please be patient, guys, in the chat. Tom Brooks, we've got hi all, 10 p.m. here from Australia. Let's go, Toms. Hey Pedro, you were right about odd. It went down but then came back up. I watched closely and got 15 pips win on sell. Great work. Only making a little, but have stopped losing since following your channel. Fantastic. Hey, thank you so much, Tom. I really appreciate it, and I'm very happy that you're able to catch that trade that we called out last night. And I really do appreciate the love and support that you're giving me here. So thank you so much, and that's awesome. I'm happy you're able to now stop losing, and you're kind of learning here in the channel. So that's the whole objective, guys. I want to help you guys as much as possible, and I appreciate the support I've received, the love and support I've received from everyone. And so yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed or joined the family, make sure you guys subscribe below and hit the notification. Don't forget the notifications, guys, because that notification bell will help you in terms of when we're live, and you guys will know when we're on live. So okay, so we've got Jaquila, we've got sorry late to the stream. No worries, Jaquila, it's never too late. You're here, that's the most important thing. Shakir, hi bro. Tom Brooks, GBP JPY on the move, let's get it. Okay, Med, yeah, very good, bro. Okay, perfect. Hi guys from Tasmania, same here. Tom, what state, mate? Okay, we're gonna continue on here, guys, and we'll look. So that's kind of overall understanding there. Let's take a look at gold. I'm also curious for gold, but again, remember, guys, from yesterday's live stream, remember I told you guys we are at a major kind of level of support for gold. To be completely honest, at this point, remember I told you guys gold is gonna exhaust, gold is gonna range, and you guys can literally go watch my previous live stream and you will see exactly how I mentioned that. And I said, guys, I don't see gold going down just yet. However, if we get a break below the settlement structure, look, my notification's still there, then we can expect a continuation to these levels, at least for gold. But overall, like I said, especially after a strong move like this, guys, which we were able to profit, by the way. We took an amazing gold trade on Sunday in my live streams that I posted. We took an amazing trade that actually ended up going over 156 pips for gold. A move like this, we could expect a pullback at some point, or some sort of exhaustion, guys. This is too much of a move for price to just continue to go down further, right? So this is what I was saying is we need to have price exhaust. We need price to consolidate. We need price to take a break, and that is totally normal stuff, especially after a huge rally like that. We're expecting price to exhaust, take a little bit of a break. This on its own, just so you guys have an idea, from here, when price pulled back up from here to the lows, was over 383 pips, right? So, if you're wondering, like, well, why is Pedro saying that price is stalling here at this point? Well, I look at all the different factors, right? There's many factors about it. One of those is that we're actually at that major level, right, of support. This is kind of this major area here that we do have to watch out for, because, well, if we look at the higher time frames, right, it is a level of support that price has respected in the past. Look, we've got support. Price broke below, came back up, used it as resistance, failed, came back up, broke above it, used it as support again, right? And now we're kind of testing it as a level of support. However, keep this in mind, guys. Let's take a look at the daily. Look at where we are in the bigger picture. Bam. We still are in a downwards trend. But do you guys remember I told you, yes, we have rejected the top of this trend line. We have created a new lower high, but I'm expecting gold maybe to come back up and retest these highs over here. Look at this trend line here, or sorry, this support level here that I have, right? It could be a resistance area where price for gold could come back up. That's my overall guess, guys. Again, this is, overall my speculation, my analysis. on gold, right? I could expect gold to come back up temporarily and then continue to go down further, right? That is a possibility, and you know, this is kind of what we can expect. But again, do you see how the bigger picture we're able to understand? Okay, we are still kind of in a downwards trend, you know, and we may actually come back up to these levels, because you can clearly see that price has respected this level of structure multiple times, and look at how much of a free range we have. So price came up, created a double top, you know, created the lower low, and then now it melted. Price broke below this level of structure, but we haven't even gotten a retest of this level of structure. Does it mean that always you're going to get a retest? No, not necessarily. That doesn't mean that just because price broke a major level, it has to retest. But almost most of the time, price will always come back up, and you know, it'll go back to basically that level and retest that level always. Typically, that's usually the case. Again, that's not always 100%, guys, but anyways, I hope you guys are understanding that gold explanation, guys. If you are, guys, let me know. Smash that like button. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. You guys are understanding that explanation on gold? Okay. We've got, okay, so that is, just give me 1 second here, guys. All right, guys. So I hope you guys understood that explanation there. Yeah. Okay. Good. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Let's continue on, guys. And we've got basically that's kind of what we're expecting for gold, right? So I'm expecting. I'll be honest with you guys completely. I'm expecting a continuation to the downside. I mean, to the upside, potentially breaking above this ranging area. But again, remember, what do we look for, guys? When price is ranging sideways, we're looking for a breakout. And clearly we don't have a breakout yet. Like I mentioned in previous live streams, I'm expecting gold to range for a little bit, okay? So that's what's going on with gold. Let's move on here. Let's take a look at NAS 100. So again, look, luckily we didn't get in on this trade. Remember what I mentioned, that price would, look at that little, I expected price on the higher time frame to create a candle, bearish candle here. And it seems like it did. If we go over here on the higher time frames, right? Price created that bearish candle. You see it right there? Literally created that bearish candle. However, it seems like price is struggling to go down further, and it's just, I don't know, I don't really see any trades here, guys, not yet at least. You know, it's kind of going down this like downwards channel, but again, not the typical price action I want to see. We are kind of trading below this level of structure, so I'll keep an eye out, and if I see overall bearish sentiment, then, you know, if we see price, for example, reject this level of structure here, and we start seeing like bearish candle formations on the 1 hour, and then we start seeing price come down, then that could be a good entry, and we can kind of target the lows of this channel, and then hopefully a little bit lower to these levels down here. That could be a possibility, but again, I just see weakness. I don't see bullishness here at all, and we are at this kind of level of support. So we'll see what ends up happening for NAS 100. We'll take a look at that, and we'll circle back. USDJPY, again, it seems like we're kind of still in this ranging area. We thought price was going to break above. It was kind of like a slight fake out, and now it's kind of retesting the lows of this ranging area. Overall sentiment is just, it's not creating any. We kind of saw it trending a little bit here. Let me clear the charts for you guys. So USDJPY, let's go up to the 4 hour, right? Look at this. So we were creating higher lows. We have price break above this level structure. We had a retest. Now what I'm expecting for USD JPY is actually a pullback. I'm expecting actually price to come down to this low over here and retest it on the bigger picture, because this is the 4-hour time frame and it's looking super bearish, guys. However, yeah, I want to see price break below this area here for sells. Okay, yeah. And then if we look here, no, I'd say like this, yeah. So we could say that that's that upwards trend there on the 1 hour. Price has broken, retested. Now we need it to break below and create a new lower low, essentially. Once price creates a new lower low, something like this. Something like this, guys. It'll probably come down to this level of support here. So something like this. Strong momentum push. Wait for the retest. Boom, we get in here, guys, and then it'll probably come back down to this level structure. Okay, something like this is what we can expect for USD JPY. But again, I need price to have that strong momentum push to the downside, and we can kind of set our targets here, put our stops above this level here at 25 pips, target the lows here, which would be about 57 pips, right? We could probably do a tighter stop, probably like 20 pips, right? 2.8 risk to reward ratio. Actually, it would be, our entry would be here. So it's, yeah, exactly 60 pips, guys. So 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, we got 20 pip stop. Okay, and we have a 60 pip reward profit. So, you know what I mean? How does that look, guys? Let me know. Look at that in the bigger picture. You know what I mean? You guys see what I'm seeing here, guys? That's, again, you know, that's kind of my overall outlook as what I'm expecting for USD JPY. Okay, guys, so that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. We got a couple more people here. GJ, let's take a look at GJ. Probably already melted or something. No, so GJ is looking like we're getting some strong momentum push here. And then look at the trend line that I had here. So we were trending to the downside. We came back to this level of structure, which was kind of a major level here on GJ. However, we're still ranging, guys. So even on GJ, if you look here, we are still in a range, right? I mean, we could have got in on this pullback, but this was like way back around like 6 in the morning. Yeah. So that's all good. I mean, it is what it is. We're just kind of ranging right now for GJ. But once we get a nice clean breakout, and that could be potentially to the upside, we don't know yet, then we can, probably price will come back down to this level here, and then we might see a breakout. Then we can get a much cleaner entry into GJ. All right, guys, just reading through here the comments. Yeah, GJ, I mean, GJ at this point, we can expect a pullback. So yeah, Tom, if you know what I mean, if you want to take that, it's a little bit more of a higher risk because you're pretty much at the top of the range here. And you don't know if maybe price may come here and come back up, but I expect it probably to come, like I said, probably to the lows over here. Let me see what kind of range we're talking here. So it's about 35 pips, but again, right, like it's a little bit risky. You just have to understand that. Okay, guys, remember that when you're trading within a range, you can trade within the range, but it's a much more higher risk, right? So always manage, do proper risk management, guys. Don't overtrade. Okay, guys, if you understood that explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. Really do appreciate it. We've got Ben here. Ben's welcome. Yeah, gold, we already kind of went over gold, guys. For those of you that missed it, sorry, we're kind of ranging here right now at this time. for gold. So overall bias on gold, again, we're kind of after a strong push like this, like I mentioned, we can expect price to exhaust, you know, take a little bit of a break. So we're ranging right now at this time. That's why everyone's just really quiet right now. There's no trades or anything going on right now overall with gold. We can expect that because people are just kind of watching and waiting for some sort of a breakout. However, I do have my alert set up here for sells if gold breaks below this level structure, because this is a major level of support. You can see here support, 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 resistance, support, and support. So if it breaks below here, then I can expect a continuation to the downside, break, retest, and continuation, right? However, I do expect gold to actually kind of probably break to the upside and kind of pull back to these highs over here. That is a possibility, and that is a kind of potential pullback I'm expecting for gold, so that it can continue to go down potentially further, right? But again, we don't know. We are just looking at probabilities, guys, in the markets, okay? Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of our members, all of our new family members. Welcome to the familia. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Appreciate you all very, very much. Hey, we've got Laura here. We've got my other sister-in-law. Let's go, Peter. Okay, guys. So, let's continue on. Okay. Those members that are just joining in, guys, or you're new, make sure you guys don't forget the notification bell, guys. Okay, can't stress that enough. I do surprise live streams in the evenings. Yes, we are here live every single day, Monday to Friday, but we do surprise. Oh, guys, look at this. Damn, exactly like I told you guys. Look, price was going to come back and break below this level structure in this ranging area. So I'm expecting, remember, that kind of slight pullback. Yeah. Remove this here. Remember I told you guys, oh man, I'm clearing this. I cleared the charts again. Remember I told you guys I'm expecting a pullback for USD JPY. We literally just went over this. I don't know what happened with the other chart. Okay, anyways, we were creating higher lows. We broke above. I had my arrow here. I said to the downside, to this level structure here. And then when we zoom in here on the 1 hour or even the 30-minute, what I was saying is I need to see a break below here. I think it was in 1 hour. Yeah, a break below this level here. And then remember I drew this line. I literally just did the explanation on USD JPY. Right? We broke the line and then I said, guys, we're looking for sell setups below here. USD JPY. Okay, so and then next I drew this out. Boom. Probably come down to the support level here. Retest. Continuation to the downside. Okay. See, guys, it didn't save it. My gosh. Anyways, you guys understand that. You guys saw what I was just doing anyways on USD JPY. I gotta draw that again. Damn it. We're just waiting on a pullback, guys, probably to this level of structure down here. That's my overall expectation for USD JPY. And again, it's just my overall analysis, guys. It doesn't mean it's going to 100% happen. These are probabilities in the market, okay? We need USD JPY to break to this level low here. If we go over to the 30-minute, okay, perfect. Next level here is an area where I'm expecting price, where I was expecting price to break. Damn, excuse me. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come down here. Okay, we're getting that strong momentum. We broke below this level of support. We're kind of breaking below it, and we closed it here on the 30-minute, which is good. Now I'm expecting price to come down probably to these lows here, and then we can expect a pullback. We get in on that pullback, guys. That's when we want to get in, okay? Yeah. And it'll probably come down to this level here. That's where we'll see gold, USD JPY react. And then we can kind of, if you want to buy up the pullback, you can. But it's just kind of my overall expectation, guys. Let's see what range we have here. That's like a 17 pip range. Yeah. Now we look for sales here. Set our stops. I had a 20 pip stop, I believe. Set our targets below down here. Okay. Probably a little bit higher, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so that's kind of my outlook there, guys, on USD JPY. Even if we go on the higher time frame, you'll see what I'm talking about. Do you see that? Just coming back down to retest these lows over here, or a potential continuation to the upside. Okay. Did you guys understand that? Let me know if you guys understood that explanation on USD JPY. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Yes, Mark. I'm in on USD JPY at the moment. Sales going well so far. Yes, I know. I did call that out at the beginning of the live stream. USD JPY sells. Remember, I even drew up the line. I don't know why I erased it, didn't save it, guys. But either way, good afternoon or afternoon from South Africa. Enjoying the stream as always. Hey, Daniel, appreciate it. Appreciate the support, guys. Really, really do. If you guys enjoyed that explanation, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Also, those that are just joining in, guys, don't forget the notification bell. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a look at AUUSD. Let's go on with AUUSD. This trade also went in our favor. Unfortunately, it seems like price came down, literally touched exactly our TP, and then price just broke out. So this is now an invalidated trade. We were looking at a second entry, so we're not looking at that anymore. So I'm going to just remove everything, start fresh for AUUSD, and kind of see where we're at with AUUSD. Now what I'm expecting kind of in the bigger picture potentially for AUUSD, because this is the 4-hour time frame, is some sort of a pullback. We are getting reaction here at this level here of structure. So now we can expect maybe some sort of a pullback, probably to these highs over here. And then let's see what kind of range we're dealing with here. It's about 149 pips, right? So we're gonna look at the 1 hour here. This is the 1 hour time frame. So we were trending to the downside. We have a break. Let's just wait for the retest. Okay. Wait for the retest, and then we can get a cleaner entry down here. Okay, probably form some sort of a double bottom, and then we can look for buys. Okay, guys. Potential buys for AUUSD. That's kind of my overall expectation. Don't get in on buys here, guys. It's literally like the short I just did recently. You know, traders, you don't want to get in on buys just because you saw that push, that huge breakout. Wait for the retest, guys. Wait for the reset. It's crucial, guys, to your success. You always want to make sure that you're patient and you don't just jump in on trades, guys, okay? Make sure you always wait. We've got Manice here. We've got should I short GU? I'm not in GU, so I mean it's totally up to you if you take that trade, my friend. I don't want to, you know what I mean? I just share with you guys my analysis. So here we were somewhat in a downwards trend, but now, to be honest, it's not really looking like shorts. We were looking for shorts. We didn't take this trade, by the way, but it seems like we've kind of broken above this trend line here, and we're kind of ranging. So that's why I've created this area here, because it's kind of ranging sideways, but it's also kind of breaking potentially. So I want to see for GU, I want to see GU strong momentum above the range, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside. So we want to see something like this for GU, and I'm going to show you so you guys don't get confused here. Let me clear the charts again, start fresh. Let's see. Welcome to all of our new members. Appreciate you guys very much, guys. So let's get it. Thank you for joining the family, and I look forward to profiting together as a family. Okay, guys. So overall, GBPUS. Let's just mark out our levels here at this point. So we have been kind of trending to the downside, even on the 4-hour, but let's take a look at the daily just to understand the overall bigger picture. So we are still in a downwards trend, okay, on GBPUS, okay? Overall bigger picture, still in a downwards trend. However, we could expect price to come up once more here, similar to the gold situation, where we are in a downwards trend, but we could expect some sort of a pullback. And so this is kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Okay, so price, this is the low. We can mark it off if we want, but we don't really have to. And then this is where price is kind of stalling at this point here, okay? If we were to go to like the weekly or something like that, we may be able to see kind of price in the past, but I'm not sure. No, there's no price action there in the past. Okay, so we are creating pretty much new lows at this point. Okay, wow, that's insane. However, it is holding this level of support right now. So we are kind of in this middle area here. Price is starting to stall. We had a move basically where price came back up, retraced back, and now we can expect price to probably retest these highs once more. Overall bearish sentiment, I don't really see GBPUS selling unless we kind of start seeing bearish sentiment below this level structure, okay? We need to see price break below for us to look for a continuation of sells. So I'm going to put sell setups below this level structure so you guys could reference to that in the future. 4-hour, now you guys see the clarity here where we're like, okay, price was trending to the downside, but now it's stalling at this level. It seems like it is respecting this level of structure. You can see in the past too, it did respect it, right? So now that we know that that momentum to the downside is starting to die off and kind of stall on the 4-hour starting to look slightly bullish, but again, it's not really, it's again, we're stuck in this range. However, guys, that's not bad news. Like, let's take a look at, this is the 1-hour, by the way. Remember not to focus on quality trades over quantity, right? But let's focus on here. We're stuck in a range. That's fine. But this is good because this means that when we're in a range, what do we look for, guys? Right? We look for a breakout. And you guys know this. I've taught you guys this very many times. So we wait for the breakout. So now that we know that USD JPY is kind of at this major level of support on the higher time frames, and we're stuck in a range, we're waiting for a potential breakout to the upside. I want to see GU break above these highs over here. So a strong breakout, wait for the pullback. If we get a pullback, okay, we'll look for buys. So I need price to break above this level here, come back up, probably will react to these highs over here, and then we'll get a pullback. Something like this. I'm going to draw it out so you guys aren't confused. Strong momentum push, pullback, wait for the retest. If price does not fake out and come back into the range, then we're looking for a continuation to the upside. If price comes back down and you don't get in on the buy up here, guys, or here, right? Because you're expecting it to go up anyways. No, wait for confirmation. And if price doesn't hold this level of support, then we get out. We don't get in, right? Because it'll probably just be a fake. I'll come back into the range, right? Or it could be so strong that it could break down below. But now that we know that this is kind of a major level on the higher time frame, then basically that's a confirmation for us to be like, okay, well, this gives us a little bit more peace of mind knowing that price potentially could actually still hold this level of support, and we can start looking for buy setups. Okay, guys? Are you guys with me? If you guys are here with me, smash that like button. Let me know in the chat box below. Put some fire emojis, guys. Let's get it. If I do see anything, you guys know that during the day I will let you know. Yeah, guys, remember, quality over quantity. We want to be patient as traders, and we want to focus on high probable trade setups, guys. That's our main focus. We don't want to be taking, these risky, whatever high risk, blowing your account trade setups. We don't want that, guys. We want to make sure that we focus on quality over quantity. And as traders, we need to be confident in our plan, our trading plan. It's crucial that we are confident in our trading plan, guys. It's crucial that we stick to our trading plan always, okay? So Tom Brooks, we got buy USD isn't really bearish. Yeah, but odd USD isn't bearish because we broke above that level structure. So if we go back up to odd USD, remember we were kind of expecting a bearish sentiment. Price actually did end up going a little bit lower. How we expected it. It did reject it once here. You guys could see here. So it literally did reach our TP. But price price now broke above that level. So now this is, I cleared the charts. I don't know why it's put it back in. So right now we're not looking for anything just yet, guys, at this point. I mean, AUUSD could reject here. We are getting some sort of rejection here at this point. But again, I wouldn't really, I would just kind of stay on the sidelines for now. Wait for it to close. Yeah. Wait for this candle to close here, the 4-hour candle, and see what it does. Even the 1 hour, and see what price does. If we get a rejection here, when the next candle looks bearish, then we can expect a continuation to the downside. Probably come back to these lows over here. But as of right now, I'm not really looking at any trade setups for AUUSD as well. Okay, guys. You guys understanding that? Yes, let me know if you guys are understanding that explanation. Same with USD JPY. So USD JPY, we're expecting price to pull back to these lows here. We got a wick rejection. If price continues to close below this level structure, and we could target it, we could probably expect price to come down to this area here. However, I don't really see that. I don't know why it's not saving my charts, guys, because I had a nice clean new chart with my analysis. I'm just gonna refresh this. So we are getting a rejection of this level, so it was just basically a fake out. You can see the huge wicks here. Let's clear the charts again, guys. I don't know what's going on. It's not saving my new analysis here. But overall, in the bigger picture, guys, I'm expecting probably price potentially to pull back. If we continue to reject these highs up here, then we can expect a continuation to the downside. And we can kind of target these lows over here. And then we can see here that in the past we were creating higher highs. We broke above. So we can expect a longer term, some sort of a pullback to these lows here, okay? That's my overall expectation. If we're able to respect and continue to reject this highs over here, then we can expect a continuation or a pullback to this level structure. Okay, guys? You guys understanding that? Understood about Aussie. Yeah, buy USD JPY? Not yet. I'll let you guys know. Don't worry. I'll let you guys know. But again, if you guys want to get it in a short-term buy, I mean, you could, but again, it's too risky because it's just kind of ranging still. Like, see, if we go down to the 15-minute, look what it's doing. It's just ranging, right? So, I mean, you could buy this because it is the low, but again, this range, let's see how much of a range you have here. So let's say you were to buy, look, you've got about 20 pips, 19 pips, right? And then you have potential, if price comes back down and breaks a little bit below, you got about you're risking about 12 pips, 12, 11 pips. So I mean, if you see that the value in something like that where you could make some money in that, then you could do that. That could be a possibility. Just remember, you're risking 11 pips to 11, 12 pips to make only 19 pips, 20 pips. You know, it's a little bit more of a higher risk, but again, it's within a range. That's kind of where we're at right now for USD JPY. Okay. You guys understanding that explanation, guys? If you are, smash that like button for me, guys. Let me know also if you guys are new to the family. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. Don't be shy, guys. Introduce yourself. Let me know where you guys are joining us in, and look forward to seeing you guys join the family as well. Yeah, so this is the AUUSD trade we took. It went exactly, we had that pullback, came back up to this level structure, rejected, and came exactly to our take profit of 31 pips. Stop loss was nice and tight. It was only 12 pip stop. However, now at this point, you can see prices already pulling back up and broke above. So at this point, I'm expecting it to probably come back down. So this is the 5 minute. Let's not base it off the 5 minute here, guys. So anything for AUUSD, we're potentially looking at, let me clear the charts here. I don't know what's going on. This thing usually saves my charts. What's going on here? Oh. You gotta love technology, guys. I'm telling you. You really do. All right, guys. So let's continue on here, guys. Okay. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's not saving it. Not sure what's going on here. But anyways, we'll continue on, and it just sucks because it literally puts my old analysis. What's going on? Okay, save layout, and then we'll put auto save again, refresh it. It's going back to the old layout. It's probably just a glitch or something, guys. Oh man, oh well, it is what it is. So GJ as well, guys, you can see GJ, it is ranging. Did you see that range of about 34 pips? Again, see, like, price is just stalling at this point, so I don't really see it doing much until we see the breakout. Okay, guys, until we see the breakout, we're not expecting anything for GJ at this point. Here we were expecting for Euro USD to continue to go down further if we broke below this level of structure. We didn't see that, so obviously we didn't get in on this trade. So but overall, this was just kind of our expectation if price was able to break below and we got that pullback to this level of structure. However, this looks good because we've actually broken above this area here potentially, and it seems like it's broken above, and we may be seeing Euro USD to come up to these highs potentially. This would be a level where I could see Euro USD come up to, and then something like this, guys. We may see something like this. Oh shoot, one sec. Something like this. Okay, and then we may see it come back up and break above these highs. So anything above these highs, we're looking at buy setups, okay, for Euro USD. Because right now, technically, even in like the lower or higher time frames, we were kind of in this range here. Okay, we were stuck in this range, and we're kind of broken above it right now. And we're slightly retesting it right now. So if we get a retest, we can expect a nice continuation to the upside for Euro USD. Okay, nice continuation to the upside. I'm getting the retest, right? I want to see price hold this level of support here, and we can start looking for buys for a continuation to the upside for Euro USD. Okay, we want to see Euro USD hold this level of support. Yeah, this is kind of actually looking like good buys. Right, because we've broken above these highs over here. All right, guys, we're grinding here. We're grinding. You guys with me? You guys with me? Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's our golden zone, guys. So this is a good potential setup here, guys, for Euro USD. We would literally be only risking 16 pips, so it's a nice tight stop, and kind of we are getting a rejection at 0.50, but I want to see price come down a little bit lower to our 0.618 or 0.50. I mean, you could get in now, but again, right, like, we just want to wait for confirmations at this point, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop either way, so I'll let you guys know. And this is a good potential trade where we could easily make over 42 pips. And it could probably even go a little bit higher, around 50 pips, 52 pips. And we're only really risking 16 pips, so that's not bad. So let's just kind of wait and see for price to come down to this level, our golden zone area, okay? I hope you guys are able to see our golden zone area here, right? Our 0.618 rejection level, this area here. You can see I'm drawing it from the bottom here. So you guys can see this blue area is where we want to start looking for buys, okay? Okay, so yeah, let's wait, let's see, let's I want it to come down lower so we can get a better entry. And then, like I said, if it continues to go back down and it happens to be a fake out, it is what it is, guys. Remember, not everything's going to go exactly as predicted, but most of the times we focus on high probable trades, and we want to make sure that we're successful when we go on the high probable trades, guys. So Okay, let's continue on here, guys. No, I'm not trying to escape losing chase. Perfect. Okay, Alex Avalos, click on the cloud symbol at the top where it says unnamed. Okay, so when you are checking if it holds level support, what time frame do you use? It really depends. Like, for example, like right now, right, we're on the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute. Obviously, the higher the time frame, the better. So, but at this point, we got to be very, very careful, because even on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour, it could just be a fake out at this point. Look, it's just a wick right now, wick rejection, right? So we just got to be mindful, right? It's just a potential good setup here we have on the 15-minute. If we're able to hold this level of support, the 1 hour will be relevant, because on the 1 hour we'll just switch from just kind of like a bearish kind of sentiment. It'll start turning bullish, right? So I mean, it is kind of irrelevant at this point right now, but we got to see what ends up happening, right? Everything involves risk, guys. But overall, do you see that after a strong move to the downside, we're kind of seeing Euro USD starting to kind of at least pull back to this level structure. That's why I have a pullback to this level here, and then if we break above this level, then we can definitely start looking for buy setups. This would just kind of be a breakout that we're looking at for Euro USD. I will keep you guys in the loop either way, so I'll let you guys know through my Telegram group if I do see any opportunities for Euro USD continuation to the upside, guys. Okay. Perfect. All right, you guys understanding that explanation on Euro USD, guys? Okay, perfect. So we've got that all set up there. That's all saved. Perfect. So, you know, it's already kind of touched the 0.618 at this point. You know what I mean? It's up to you guys if you want to take the risk and get in. It's totally up to you guys. I see if we were to get in now, price could potentially come up to these highs around 11, 12 noon. We'll see. I'll follow up with you guys. Always manage your risk. Do not overtrade, guys. Please do not overtrade, guys. Okay, price could just be creating a fake out, so we do have to be mindful of that. On the higher time frames, we are still kind of potentially creating some sort of a fake out. It's not really, it's kind of slightly broken above, but we do have a little bit of a resistance here as well too, so we have to be very mindful of that, guys, on the higher time frames. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I kind of want to see price come down a little bit lower, and then I want to see like a wick rejection, because right now we got a little bit of a wick rejection, but price is kind of undecided right now, and we don't have volume just yet, but we will be getting a little bit more volume, guys, for New York Open at this point. So USD JPY, same thing, guys. Look, same thing. We're just waiting for that breakout. Then we can expect a continuation to the upside. We are kind of at the lows of this ranging area here, but however, you know, price could just break down below, sells below this level of structure. We're in a range, so we're just waiting for a breakout at this point, guys. Okay, let's go. You guys understanding that? Let me know if you understood that explanation, guys. Smash that like button for me, guys. Really appreciate all the love and support, guys. Also, all the new family members, don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so you get notified when we're live. I might surprise you guys tonight. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe we might do another pre-London session, right? So I know that our pre-London sessions do really well, you know, because unfortunately some of our family members aren't able to come in the morning live streams that we have here at 7 a.m. Sometimes, you know what I mean? We have people from all over the world, and we try to accommodate as best as we can. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Gold, same thing. Gold, guys, following up with gold, remember we're at a major level here of support. You know, if we break below, we're looking for sells. If we hold this level and we break potentially above this range, then we can expect a nice continuation to the upside. We can see gold coming up to these highs around 1695 range. I need to see gold break at least above 1674. I'm going to set an alert here. So now that we're talking about that, I should set an alert. And then that way I know. Done. So we got that alert there as well too, so I'll keep you guys in the loop, and I've got an alert for sells as well too. So, but overall bias, to be honest, I'm expecting gold to at least come back up to these highs over here. as an exhaustion, guys. We got a huge move to the upside, right? But I also expect gold to probably range for a bit. We have to be mindful of that too, right? You know, it could come back up, come back down, but you know, price needs to exhaust, especially after a strong move like that. That's over 300 pips, you know what I mean? So that's my outlook on gold, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop as always. Let me know if you have any other questions, guys. Also, guys, if you haven't joined already, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group, guys. We're an amazing community of traders there. The link is in the video description below. Click the link below, guys, to join our Telegram group. We have an amazing group, guys, of traders there. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys inside there. So let's continue on. So that's kind of what we're looking at there, guys. USD JPY, again, we're kind of stuck in this ranging area. If we break below this level of structure down here, then we're looking for sell. So let me clear the charts because this is messy. If we break below here, right here, sorry. If we break below here, which it looks like we are, but it could be a fake out too, right? Price could come back down and just continue to go back up. We can expect price to continue to go down further, like draw this up like 7 times, retest these highs, and then a continuation to the downside. Okay, that's what we can expect for USD JPY. And then if we get a break above, then we're looking for buy setups above this level of structure, but we wait for the retest as well too. So it's not just buys just because it broke above. We also have to, you know, line up, set up our stuff here. Heavy sells once it comes down here. So heavy sells at this level here. We need to wait for price to retest if that's the case. Okay, that is what I have here set up for USD JPY. Okay, guys, and it erased it yet again. Okay, so I will, it is what it is. You guys saw it, at least you guys saw what I was looking at for USD JPY. Overall outlook there, guys. Yeah, I'll see what's going on with my trading view anyways. Welcome to all of our new members here, guys. Welcome to the family. GJ ranging, GBPUS ranging, Euro USD, we have broken above. Like, take a look at this. We were in a downwards trend even on the 4-hour. In the bigger picture, we are still in a downwards trend for Euro USD. So my overall anticipation for Euro USD is some sort of a pullback, at least to this level structure here, and potentially if it breaks above here, we could expect Euro USD to come back up potentially to these highs before it comes back and rejects this level and continues to go down further. That is an expectation I have, but obviously, like, I'll keep you guys in the loop and let you know kind of what may happen. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, so we are getting rejection, guys, which is good. Again, I want to see the next candle, see what's going on with the next candle, and then we can kind of get in and see if price is going to respect this level structure, because this is a crucial level here for price. I need to see price respect this level structure for a nice continuation to the upside. Okay, want to see the next 15-minute candle and see what the next 15-minute candle does. 30-minute again, I can expect a potential continuation to the upside. However, we want to avoid a fake out, guys, so that's why we wait for confirmations. It seems like it's rejecting it, so that's a good sign. But again, I want to see the next at least 15-minute candle, see what it does. If it comes down and then we get another wick rejection and it starts looking bullish, then we can get in, because price could always come back down, create some sort of a double bottom in this area. That could be a possibility as well too. So we just have to be very mindful, guys, when we get into these trades. Again, too, like, you know, if you get in earlier and you know, you have the risk of price going against you, you just have to be mindful of that. Okay, that's kind of what we're expecting for basically Euro USD, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. You guys know that, so make sure you guys join the Telegram group, guys. I'm telling you, if there's something I see, I will keep you guys in the loop. We've got Martine here. I hope I pronounced your name right. Hello, new to this channel, keep it up. Hey, thank you so much, really appreciate it, appreciate the love. And yeah, welcome to the family. So make sure also, if you just subscribed, make sure you guys hit the notification and bell and hit all notifications, guys. Hit the little bell and all notifications. Just remember that, because I want to make sure you guys, I want to see you guys in the evenings when I surprise you guys in the evenings, right? So I know I'm live every day on 7 a.m. here in the mornings, but you know, when I'm in the evenings, I also want to see you guys there too. You know, I can tell you the countless amount of times where I've had people tell me, Pedro, when's your live stream, right? And sometimes, or like they come in and they happen to be on the channel for whatever reason, or they found out through Telegram or whatever, and they're like, oh damn, you were live, right? They didn't know, right? So when you put the notifications, it's pretty sick, because that way you just get notified. It's like a text message. It's like, hey, Pedro's on, he's live right now, and then you guys can watch if you can. Also, guys, I want to let you know, if you guys are just starting out or you're learning, one best tip, guys, is go back to my live stream on my channel. Go back to my previous live streams, guys, and you can scroll a little bit ahead and move over to, like, I don't know, move ahead 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to see us trading live, and you'll be able to kind of see what we're looking at in the markets. And it's always good to be able to do that, because the more you look at the charts, guys, the more you're familiar with the markets, the more you're going to be successful in trading, guys. I'm telling you this. I've been doing this for now 6 years, guys. And you know what I mean? The more chart time you have, the much better you will get as a trader. So Martin here, where are you from? I'm from Canada, but my background is Latino. I'm from Nicaragua. So yeah, but we're from Canada. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off this light. Yeah. What about you? Where are you from? Where are you joining us from? Let me know. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. USD, Euro USD. Do you saw how price was starting to pull back up and I didn't get in? That's called patience, guys. And let's say, for example, let's talk hypothetically. Let's say this price would have started coming up. Nope, would have been like, okay, it is what it is. I missed the entry. It is what it is. But as traders, we wait for that confirmation, right? So I'm saying next candle, next 15-minute candle, I want to see what it's going to do. If I see it come down a little bit and then we see wick rejection, I'm going to get in. Even if it comes back down again once more, that's fine, because now there's that extra confirmation if price were to come back down a little bit. So let's say it comes here, creates a wick, starts going bullish, and then boom, comes back down to retest it once more. That is good, guys. That is not a bad thing. That is a good thing, because that gives me a confirmation, if we get a rejection on the second time where it comes back, that price is failing to push below. It's failing to come back into the range. So that is a good sign, because then that confirms to me, hey, you know what? Nope, price is respecting this level of structure, and now we're looking for a continuation to the upside, right? So now we got a nice candle closure here. Now what I want to see is this candle either create a wick to the downside and continue to go down a little bit further and create a wick rejection. If we get a wick rejection, we can expect price to continue to go higher, exactly how we're expecting price to pan out. I will keep you guys in the loop either way, and then we can start lining up our graphs here. We can start letting up our targets. You know, 40 pips, we can only risk around, let's say, we can do a nice stop, like 12 pip stop, guys. It's nice and tight. And so, yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting here, guys, for Euro USD. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Euro USD, I am not in Euro USD just yet. A roll, not yet, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. So make sure you guys join our Telegram group. We have an amazing group of traders there, guys. The link is in the video description. Click the link below in the video description. You'll be able to join our free Telegram group, okay? And I will keep you guys in the loop through there as well. Also, if you guys are new, don't forget, guys, we're here Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day. And we do come sometimes in the evenings. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys again, possibly tonight. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Appreciate you all very, very much. 15-minute, look at that. We're already getting a rejection. That would be probably a good entry at this point. Again, manage your risk, guys. Good entry here at this level. Make sure you guys manage your risk. 40 pip gain, and just risking 12 pips. If price goes below here and it closes below 15 pip, then I'm not like, this invalidates the trade. It was a complete fake out. That's fine. Take your loss and move on, guys. It's okay. It's part of the trading. Just make sure you manage your risk properly. Okay, guys, we'll take a look at this. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Appreciate you all very, very much. And I might see you later tonight, okay? Tom, we've got, just to clarify, you're looking for a long wick to the downside, potentially, or a bullish candle close on the 15-minute. Even on the 15-minute, it's fine. Obviously, the higher time frames is much better, but you know what I mean. On the 15-minute, if we get a strong bullish candle, like I said, it might close bullish and then it might do one more retest. So price, don't freak out if price comes back down and retests it on the 15-minute. That's okay. It'll probably be forming some sort of a double bottom formation, and then we'll see Euro USD go up. Could be a possibility. Again, remember, everything's about probabilities, guys, but at this point you could get in. Just manage your risk, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Look forward to seeing you guys later tonight, and yeah, thanks for joining in.